In today's video, I am going to teach you how to turn Google Chrome's Safe Search on or off. Once Chrome is open, look toward the top right corner of the browser window. You should see the three dots menu icon. After the menu opens, look down the list until you see Settings. Click Settings to open the Chrome Settings page. Now that you are on the Settings page, look at the left side of the screen. You should see a menu with different categories. Click Privacy and Security. Once you are inside Privacy and Security, look for the option labeled Security. Click Security to open the Security Settings page. On the Security page, scroll down until you find the section called Use Secure DNS. When you find Use Secure DNS, you will see a toggle next to it. To turn this feature on, click the toggle so it is enabled. To turn it off, click the toggle so it is disabled. The change should apply automatically, so you usually do not need to save anything manually. If you decide to keep Use Secure DNS turned on, look underneath the toggle for the provider options. Select the option that says With your current service provider. Choosing With your current service provider can help remove strict DNS blocks that may be caused by a custom secure DNS provider. By switching back to your current service provider, Chrome relies on the DNS settings already provided by your network, instead of forcing a separate provider from inside the browser. After you have adjusted the toggle and selected the provider option you want, you can close the Settings tab. Your changes are applied in Chrome, and you can continue browsing as usual. If a page was already open, you may want to refresh it so Chrome can apply the updated connection settings. That covers everything you need to know.